Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to talk about areas of circles and sectors. All right, you're going to need your notes, your formula sheet, 'cause we have a new formula, calculator, and a pen and or pencil. All right, here we go. Now, from previous, we know that the area of a circle is A equals pi r squared. That's going to be very important for what we're going to do today. Now, you might be asking yourself, what is a sector? A sector, this needs to go in your notes, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. A sector is a section of a circle's area. So it's like a piece of pie or a pizza. It's a piece of the whole circle. So right here, A, P, B, this is my piece of my circle that I'm going to find the area for. So I need all of it on the inside too. Now, our formula sheet, we need to write this down. The area of a sector, this is how we're going to find it. It's going to be the degrees of that sector over 360 equals sector area over circle area. Now remember, circle area is pi r squared. Okay? So this is how we're going to find our area of a sector. Now I have 3 examples for you and we will be done for the day. So this gets put in your formula sheet. You want that in there. Here we go. Example number 1. We need to find the area of the blue sector. So if we're finding the area of the blue sector, that is all of this right here. That is our goal. That's our blue sector. So we're going to set this up. When we set this up, we are going to set our degrees over 360. Now, if this side is 120, to find what we're going to put on top, we're going to take 360 minus 120. And on this side, since I want the blue side, this is 240. So we're going to have 240 degrees equals, we want to find the sector, so I'll put an X there, all over pi, my radius is 14 squared. Now I'm going to simplify this up before we go on, so we're going to simplify 240 all over 360, which simplifies to 2/3 equals X all over, if I take 14 squared, I get 196 pi. Now we're going to cross multiply. So when I cross multiply this, I get 3x equals, I'm just going to take 196 times 2 and I get 392 pi. Now to solve this one, I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So if I take 392 pi divided by 3, I get X equals 410.50, make sure I label, feet squared. When I'm talking about a sector, I'm going to be using squared because it's the area of that piece. Alright, moving on. Example number 2. Use the diagram to find the area of the circle S. So my goal is to find the whole area. So when I set this up, I know this is going to be 360. My degree right here is 120 equals, it tells me the area of RSTQ is 48. So I'm going to have 48 over X because I need to find the area of the circle. I'm going to simplify this first, so I get 1/3 equals 48 all over X. Cross multiply, and I get X equals 144 feet squared. So there's my answer. That's the area of my whole circle. Alright, last example, ladies and gentlemen, here it comes. In this large circular painting, 2 white circles are congruent circles, which means they are the same, okay? that just fit inside the large circle. What is the area of the shaded region? So if I look at all my circles here, I need to find the area of my large circle and of my small circles. And I'm going to start with my small circle right here, because it's the same as my other small circle, which is right here. And I know my radius is 3. So to find the area of a circle, area equals pi r squared. My area equals pi, my radius is 3 squared. So area equals 9 pi. Now that's just for one circle. It's very important we have 2. So I have to take this times 2, and I'm going to get the area of 18 pi. So this is for my small circles. Now if I decide to do my large circle, it's very important that I know the radius. So if I look at this circle, I know the radius of the small one is 3. So that's 3, that's 3, this is 3, and this is 3. I can do 3's all the way across. Well, if you look where the two circles meet, that is the center of my large circle. So my diameter is from here to here, so that's going to be, my radius is from there to there, so that's 6. So when I go in to plug it into my area formula, I'm going to have area equals pi 6 squared. So the area of my large circle is 36 pi. Now if I want to know the area of the shaded region, all I have to do is take my large circle, subtract my two small circles. So my area is going to equal 36 pi minus 18 pi, and I'm going to get 18 pi. Now if I want that just written as a number, I'm going to type that in my calculator. It's approximately 56.55 meters squared. So that's just the area of the shaded region. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have. I hope you have a wonderful, fabulous day, and I will be seeing you later. Bye!